Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is an Origami Wildflower box. And check it out. It's really cool looking, and this is how you open it. See? Just like that. You can put something in there. Close it up like this. And yeah. And in a video coming soon, I'm going to show you to turn it into a flicker. Like this. And this is how it flies. Ooh yeah. Okay, so I folded this model from a 6-inch square of kami, and that's what I'm going to use in this tutorial. But if you want, you can try and fold it from an ordinary sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold and fold this edge to the crease. This is not a difficult model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model. And repeat on this side. Alright, now turn over and let's fold the kite in half. So fold this corner to this corner. Alright, and don't unfold, turn over. And now comes a kind of tricky step. Not too bad though, it's just a swivel fold. So what we're going to do is, we're going to open up this pocket, and it doesn't matter which one because we're going to do both. So open a pocket, and we're going to squash it so that this edge right here aligns with the middle line. Like this. And make sure it comes to a nice point right here too. Alright, just like that. And also make sure it comes to a nice point right here too. So once you got it, crease it nice and sharp. Alright, and repeat on the side. So open the pocket up and swivel fold it. So this edge aligns with the middle line. Oh, and also another guide mark. You can make this point right here, where this crease at the edge, meet that point right there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And now we're going to do is we're going to rotate like this, and let me zoom in. And we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to this corner right here. And make sure that this crease right here aligns with the middle. And crease that nice and sharp. And unfold that and repeat on this side. So take this corner and fold it to this corner. Like this. And make sure that this point aligns with the middle line. Or this crease, doesn't matter. And crease that sharp. Alright, unfold, and let's go and reverse those creases. So let's erase them right here. Like this, loosen them up, and let's do the same thing. So, fold this corner to here. We're just reversing the creases. And same on this side. Okay, and now comes the kind of tricky step. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this on this crease, and fold this on that crease like this. So we're going to fold them both at the same time, like that. So make sure it stays open like this. And we're going to take this and we're going to squash it so that this corner touches these 2 points right here. And make sure they stay together too, right here. And, oh, and yeah, it's a little bit tricky, but do the best you can. Okay, like that. And crease sharply. Okay, so if you didn't catch that, then you have another try on this side. So let's fold this raw edge on that crease, like this, and fold this on that crease, like that. And we're folding them both at the same time and squash it so that this corner meets right here. Okay, like that. Increase everything sharp. Alright, and now take this edge and fold it up as far as it goes. Like that. Okay, so now turn over. And now take this and fold it up right in between these 2 points. And to make sure you're perfect, turn over and make sure that this crease right here aligns with that crease. This crease right here. So make sure they align like that. See? That's what it looks like. And make that fold sharp. Just like that. Okay. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Alright. Unfold that and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Okay, and now open the pocket up like this, and let's squash it like that. Okay, and now take this and fold it up in between these 2 points, and make sure that this point aligns with the crease. Like that, and repeat on this side. And here it is. Here is the Wildflower box complete. Or it can be an envelope also because it's flat. But yeah, so here's how to open it. Just pull these 2 white points right here. And it opens up really nicely just like that. You can put like maybe a note in there or some gift in there. You put money in there. And yeah, close it up just like this. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention. It's also a really nice spinner too. See, check this out. See, it spins for a long time, just like that. Isn't that cool? And what's also cool about spinning it is that it kind of looks like it has a white disc in the middle. See? So, that kind of looks like a white disc. So yeah, it's like a disc spinner. So I'm going to show you how to do that, so just, I'm sure you know what to do, just fold it in half both ways like this, all layers. Okay, and then make those folds at the same time, so we make a point right here. And kind of just like that, and spin it, just like that, and spins for a nice long time. See, just like that. So there you have it. And I want to show you this other model that I recently made. Check this out. This is an Origami surprise box, and this is folded from a 10-inch square of kami. And I'll have a video for this model right here someday. See, and it opens up just like this. This is when I folded from a 6-inch square. And yep, and this is how you close it. See, just like that. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and again, I'll maybe hopefully in a few days or so I'll show you to turn it into this flicker. So here's the video when it's done. Okay, see you guys later.